Sutton Hall was built between 1724 and 1729 for the 4th Earl of Scarsdale. Designed by architect Francis Smith of Warwick, the Italian Baroque style incorporated the original hall built in 1469. The estate is listed in the Domesday Book as part of lordships given to Anglo-Norman aristocrats by William the Conqueror. The estate was purchased in 1401 by John Leake of Gotham. It remained in the Leake family, who were loyal to the crown for more than 400 years, with Francis Leake becoming the first Earl of Scarsdale in 1640. The new hall was both impressive and lavish in design. Set in beautiful gardens with far-reaching views across the landscape, Sutton Hall was a statement of power and wealth. With 28 bedrooms, it was a large residence. The grand entrance hall led to 2 drawing rooms and large dining room. There was also a ballroom on the 2nd floor. The interior was completed by Italian craftsmen, featuring oak ornamental paneling, beautiful Italian stucco plastering, elaborate marble fireplaces, and a grand mahogany staircase. The exterior was built in stone, with decorative carvings and a slate roof with lead flashing to complete the imposing hall. The palatial hall remained in the family for generations, but came at a huge financial cost to the Scarsdale heirs. Finally, in 1824, the hall was sold to the Arkwright family. It remained in their possession for almost 100 years, even after the Arkwrights emigrated to New Zealand, but the hall was left neglected. In 1915, the hall passed to William Arkwright, but after only 4 years, he auctioned off Scarsdale Hall due to the cost of repairs. Bought by a group of local businessmen, they asset stripped the hall, removing everything of value from inside, including all elements of the roof and fireplaces. The ornate oak paneling in the ballroom was shipped to New York. It was bought by Paul Moore Films and used in various 1950s productions. Another room's paneling can be viewed in the Philadelphia Museum of Art. Today, the hall is in the care of English Heritage and Grade 1 listed. You can still see some traces of the beautiful plasterwork.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.